Hi Manidas and Manidis, welcome to Mugai Academy. TNTET Paper 1 மற்றும் Paper 2க்கான இங்கிலீஷ் கிளாஸஸ் பார்த்துட்டு இருக்கோம். இன்னைக்கு லாஸ்ட் வீக்ல நடத்தின கிராமர் பார்ட்ஸ் எல்லாமே MCQஸா பார்க்கலாம். Question number 1. Identify the correct positive degree for the following sentence. Chennai is bigger than Trichy. The correct answer is option B. Trichy is not so big as Chennai. Question number 2. Complete the sentence with the correct form of the adjective. Mount Everest is the dash peak in the world. The correct answer is option C. Highest. Question number 3. Identify the degree of comparison for the given sentence. No other boy in the class is so clever as Ramu. The correct answer is option A. Positive degree. Question number 4. Change the following superlative sentence into a comparative degree. Iron is the most useful of all metals. The correct answer is option B. Iron is more useful than any other metal. Question number 5. Choose the correct superlative degree for the following sentence. Very few cities in India are as populous as Mumbai. The correct answer is option B. Mumbai is one of the most populous cities in India. Question number 6. Choose the correct indirect speech for the given sentence. He said, I am writing a letter. The correct answer is option B. He said that he was writing a letter. Question number 7. Change the following sentence into indirect speech. She said to me, where are you going? The correct answer is option A. She asked me where I was going. Question number 8. Choose the correct indirect speech for the imperative sentence. The teacher said to the boys, sit down. The correct answer is option B. The teacher ordered the boys to sit down. Question number 9. Change the following sentence into direct speech. Anu said that she had bought a new car. The correct answer is option A. Anu said, I have bought a new car. Question number 10. Identify the correct indirect form for the universal truth. The teacher said, the sun rises in the east. The correct answer is option B. The teacher said that the sun rises in the east. Question number 11. Identify the figure of speech used in the following line. The camel is the ship of the desert. The correct answer is option B. Metaphor. Question number 12. What figure of speech is used in this sentence? The leaves danced in the wind. The correct answer is option C. Personification. Question number 13. Find out the figure of speech in the given poetic line. Oh, my Lou is like a red, red rose. The correct answer is option B. Simile. Question number 14. Identify the figure of speech where two opposite words are placed side by side. This is an open secret. The correct answer is option A, oxymoron. Question number 15. Identify the figure of speech in the following line. The burning sun, the blinding sand. The correct answer is option B, alliteration. Question number 16. What is the meaning of the idiom once in a blue moon? The correct answer is option B, very rarely. Question number 17. Choose the correct meaning for the underlined idiom. The final exam is just around the corner, so you need to burn the midnight oil. The correct answer is option A, work or study late into the night. Question number 18. What does the idiom a piece of cake mean? The correct answer is option C, something very easy to do. Question number 19. Complete the sentence with the appropriate idiom. When my friend won the lottery, he was dash. The correct answer is option B, over the moon. Question number 20. Identify the meaning of the idiom under the weather. The correct answer is option B, feeling slightly sick or unwell. Question number 21. Find the blended word for binary plus digit. The correct answer is option C, bit. Question number 22. Choose the correct blended word for motor plus hotel. The correct answer is option B, motel. Question number 23. What is the blend of the words international plus police? The correct answer is option B, Interpol. Question number 24. Form a blended word from breakfast plus lunch. The correct answer is option C, brunch. Question number 25. Identify the two words that make up the blended word smog. The correct answer is option A, smoke plus fog. Question number 26. Find the clipped word for laboratory. The correct answer is option B, lab. Question number 27. Choose the correct clipped word for aeroplane. The correct answer is option C, plane. Question number 28. What is the clipped word for refrigerator? The correct answer is option A, fridge. Question number 29. Find the clipped word for advertisement. The correct answer is option C, ad. Question number 30. Identify the unclipped word for memo. The correct answer is option C, memorandum. Question number 31. Identify the correct contraction for the underlined words. We are going to Chennai tomorrow. The correct answer is option A. We are. Question number 32. Choose the correct contraction for will not. The correct answer is option B. Won't. Question number 33. What is the full form of the contracted word? It's in the given sentence. It's raining outside. The correct answer is option B. It is. Question number 34. Find the correct contraction for I should or I would. The correct answer is option C. Question number 35. Identify the correct contraction for the sentence. They dash finished their homework yet have not. The correct answer is option A. Question number 36. What is the meaning of the idiom hit the sack? The correct answer is option B. To go to sleep. Question number 37. Identify the figure of speech used in the underlined phrase. The soldier was as brave as a lion in the battlefield. The correct answer is option B. Simile. Question number 38. Change the following sentence into indirect speech. The boy said, "Hooray, we have won the match." The correct answer is option B. The boy exclaimed with joy that they had won the match. Question number 39. Find the clipped word for gymnasium. The correct answer is option B. Gym. Question number 40. Choose the correct blended word for emotion plus icon. The correct answer is option A. Emoticon. ஸோ டோட்டலி 40 கொஷின்ஸ் பார்த்துருக்கோம். 40க்கு நீங்கள் எவ்வளோ மார்க்ஸ் எடுத்திருக்கீங்க அப்படின்றத மறக்காமல் கமெண்ட்டில் சொல்லுங்கள். இன்றைக்கி எடுத்த கொஷின்ஸ் எல்லாமே நம்ம ஆல்ரெடி லாஸ்ட் வீக் எடுத்த கிளாஸஸில் இருந்து தாங்க கொடுத்துருக்கோம். ஸோ கிளாஸ் பார்க்காதவங்க கிளாஸ் வீடியோஸ் பார்த்துட்டு வந்துருங்க. இந்த கிளாஸ் உங்களுக்கு யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருந்தால் ஒரு லைக் மற்றும் ஒரு சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள். முகை அகாடமிக்கு சப்போர்ட் பண்ணுங்கள். கீப் லேர்னிங், கீப் க்ரோயிங், கீப் வின்னிங். தேங்க்யூ.